guys, it's me Kinjal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you read by the title, I am going to share my top 5 nail colors with you guys. I was planning this for a while and here it is. If you see me for the first time, my name is Kinjal. Welcome to my channel and I would highly appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first up, we have my favorite everyday shade. So this is the Maybelline Color Show in the shade Nude Skin. Very neutral nude color. It looks stunning on every skin tone. Doesn't chip off easily. It stays for 1 to 2 weeks easily. It retails for 110 rupees, which is not bad for a nail paint. It's also available online as well as offline. And every time I wear this on my nails, people have complimented me on what nail color you're wearing. I take this as my favorite nail color number 1. So next up we have this. This is again from the Color Show range and this is in the shade Blackout 220, which is a very basic black. I really like wearing this when I'm going to parties or occasions or even shoots. It just gives you more confidence and it's just a style statement. Looks bold on your fingertips, so you can never go wrong with black. As you can see, black is my favorite color and black cannot go out of style. So again, this retails for 110 rupees. Also available online and offline. I'm sorry, excuse this because the other nail paints have done this to it. The amount of pigment it gives is perfect and you don't have to keep reapplying until you get the color out. My next color is this baby right here. This is from Revlon and this is a Summer Florals 565 Iris. This is how it looks. So let me tell you the price of this. This retails for 225 rupees, which is a little bit costly for a nail paint. I feel it's a stunning shade, perfect for summers, but the only problem with this is first it was watery, and after I've applied this at least more than 7 times, I would say. And now that the nail paint's consistency is become thicker, I don't know, it's too thick where it was not when it came. And the brush is really nice with this. It gives you equal amount of application. You don't have to reapply again with this. It's just one swipe and you're good to go with this one as well. If you think 225 is too expensive for a nail paint, you can go for a much cheaper option, which is from Nykaa. It's the Nykaa enamel polish in the shade Lavender Drizzle. It's similar to this one, but I think Revlon one is also not bad at all. I got it on a discount, I got it on sale, so I got it much cheaper than the Nykaa one. But in case if you don't want to spend your money on this, you can spend it on the Nykaa one. Again, Nykaa nail paints are really good, but they easily chip off and it has a very strong smell to it, which all nail paints have, so I don't have to mention it, right? Let's move on to the 4th nail color, which is it's the Color Maker Nail Lacquer in the shade 21. You appreciate the nail color. I love wearing different shades on my nails. It just gives you a pop of color. Also, I like to play with colors when it comes to my nails, but when I'm feeling funky or when I'm feeling a little not so much but still I want to play around with colors, I go with muted colors. I'll either choose between these two. Mostly I'll divert myself to this one because this color is such a pretty color. I wish they could just have given some name to it. Let me tell you, the packaging wise, I feel this is similar to the Nykaa ones. Again, the intensity of these nail colors are crazy. It's like one swipe and you are good to go. I'm not pretty sure where you can get this online, but you can get your hands on this offline. I have searched a lot of websites where you can get Color Maker, but I did not find any because I was just finding dupes, like duplicate material nail paints, and I didn't want it to suggest those sites and just recommend anything. But I just wanted to mention this quickly. It's also very long lasting. It approximately stays around 2 or 3 weeks maximum. It does not chip very easily even if you're working in water. Also, it does not change its color For most of the nail paints, the color changes and I have to use a top coat, just to protect the nail color for not changing or fading away. I don't know what more you can talk about. It's simply what it is. So the last shade we have is my favorite again. Now when I feel like playing with colors, I only think of one color which I'm obsessed with, is yellow for my nails. I love wearing yellow on my nails. I have this last nail shade with me, which is from LA Teen Nail Pops. This is how it looks. So this is a basic, it's not basic, it's a bright yellow in the shade 111, but online it is showing 135. Again, confusion. But the most exciting part of this is it retails for 50 rupees. What? For a nail paint? But obviously nail paint should be cheap. Like, who's gonna spend 800 on a nail paint? And I have spent 800 on a nail paint, like the OPI ones. Every nail paints are the same. Like, they are gonna chip off some week or the other and they are gonna change its color. They're just gonna be like, nobody would care. But yeah, nowadays people are doing extensions, acrylic and whatnot to their nails, but I'm just here stuck with nail colors. Okay, let's not be upset, let's start. Variety of colors available online and offline. The intensity of this nail colors are not so much. The consistency of this is super watery. You have to at least apply 3 or 4 coats with this one. Once the layer is on, it looks beautiful, but I feel it's too much of work. The texture of this can improve. It also doesn't last that long. It lasts around 1 week, I'll say, because obviously if you work in water, it is going to chip off and come off very easily. But I really like the color, so I love wearing such bright colors. Yeah guys, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Like, thank you for that one follower who requested this and I really wanted to share it with you. I hope you're happy because I really like these nail colors. These are like my favorite nail colors I like to wear. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe to my channel. That goes without saying. Follow me on my social media handles. I'll keep it on the screen as well as in the description box so you can check it out. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.